wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay, wake the streets up. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah, come on, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah, okay.
And talking about ZTE, remember this bad boy back in the day? Remember this? This is what the Axon M remind me of, a smaller version, a more upgraded version of this. That's what the Axon M remind me of. Two of these phones put together. Check this out. After taking a day off, losing money, calling the police, you know what I'm saying, and making a police report, and on top of making a police report, reporting it to the United Postal Service, which is crazy, you know what I mean? Look what pops up in the mail now. This is fucking crazy. And that's all that it is. And somebody's ass got in trouble for this shit. You know what I'm saying? Irresponsible, very fucking irresponsible. But now it's here, it's official, that's all. And it's just crazy. So all of a sudden now the thing pops up. That's all. Full video is gonna be coming on this later on. And I'm like, I'm happy that it's here. Finally, Axon M is here. It's all official. All right? I'm about to unpackage this right now. Stay tuned. Here's the phone right here. Here's the phone. Through all this hell and fury that I went through, ended up having to lose a day of work, it came. It finally all of a sudden just popped up in the mailbox. I already called the officer. They'd back off all their investigation and everything. So here it is, what everybody's been talking about and everybody has been doing a review of. Right here, the Axon CTA Axon M. Right here. So I already played with this phone already, so it's not a real unboxing. Coming out the package. The tape. Here's the device right here. You all know what it does. The power button right there. Okay. Let's see what other stuff is inside the box. Okay. Typical books. Toss them. Wow. A nice, beautiful headset. Beautiful, nice headset. We want to test these on a later video. Here we go. Right here. Power outlet switch. You plug your USB into that to put power into the phone. And your USB cable. right here. And these two things right here. Let's see what we got right here. So this is USB-C, and right here is some type of key ring. Wherever it is, I'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? I'll figure it out. Let me, matter of fact, let me go ahead and pull it out. So that's all what it comes. That's all that comes inside the box. And just then your basic USB cord. Any more pieces? Let's go. Let's go on. Test out the phone right here. This is what the cameras on the device look like. You do all types of different things with it. And when you turn it around, just look at that. That is pretty fly. Very fly. I tested out the sound on this. The sound on this is very good. You know what I mean? The Dolby sound. So I'm looking at myself on it right now. And what else do we have on here besides the camera? So I'm not real good at this phone yet, so excuse me for that. Okay, here's the screensaver I choose on here. Let me see what type of video quality we have on this. So this is how you I have this on today. So and this is how you make the screen right here. Look at that. And right here, not too many people going to detail phone, because I'm not going to make no more videos about this phone until we do the camera and do the actual camera test. Here's the Dolby Amance right here. Where you can choose to make up your sound. And it's a good graphic EQ. But I'm going to put a separate graphic EQ program into this. The boom will go up in, and stereo will go up into this joint. I already got a boom application now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the boom up in this joint to really see how it really sounds. And we're going to do the actual sound test with the U11 in this. You know what I'm saying? So this is the Axon M. Brand new. $122 was not wasted. That's all. That's all. So, camera text is next. We'll see you at a later date. Remember, this is my Cash App right here. Every time I do a video, you think the video good or need improvement, and you want to put your ignorant opinions on here, this is where you can send me money at right here. This is the Cash App. All right, all donations go for here. Usually don't ask for money and everything, but you want to see the channel get better. Put your money where your mouth is. That's the slogan. Put your money where your mouth is. All right, 267 technologies at cashapp.com. That's what you can do. All right.
Wake the streets up.